Hello and welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to clean or fix your RC car. Here's how you clean it. Usually the best way to clean it is just let it sit in water. That's the best way I found. I think a little bit of salt actually helps a little bit too. As you can see in this picture here, it's stunningly clean. That salt's getting in everywhere. And then this picture here, this video, you can see it's in my special solution. So that you see the oil on top, that's so it doesn't rust the car. And it's dirty, so it's abrasive. So it's like a polishing wax type thing. Then we need to disassemble the vehicle. This is the most crucial part. Sometimes it happens for you, but other times you need some special tools for this job. I found that the 5-pound mini sledge is almost completely universal. Displayed in this video here. You can see that hard work here. It is just absolutely taking everything apart wonderfully. We can put it back together really easily. It's doing a great job, as you can see. Other tools you could use like a Sawzall. That could help. And this is my final tip here: gravity. You can see that stunning man just threw this absolute beauty on the beautiful car in the air. He's got some nice feet too. Oh yeah, check this out. There's the car. You can see it's being disassembled, and then it's just, look at this. Oh yeah, nice throw, me. Oh yeah. If this helped, please like and subscribe.